Hey everyone, Mr. Settler here. So the next element that we're going to talk about for an effective presentation is repetition. So repetition is a principle that is commonly known as an anchor. So this repetition is used in every presentation slide that has a similar look that will help you know what information to look for. So you'll notice that these slides over here, everything is in this red text box and the text is all white inside. There's repetition among the color red from slide to slide and also in the color of the font from white to white to white to white. So this anchors in this idea from slide to slide that this is where you're going to look for the name of the slide and the background information. So when you're trying to use repetition in a PowerPoint slide, it's trying to create some sort of familiarity amongst all of the slides. For example, if you wanted to have this entire slide show about the beach and you wanted to have a common picture before we're moving on to talking about a different topic such as the river, you would have pictures of the beach in the corner of each slide, or maybe just like a volleyball in each corner, which is anchoring you the idea that we're still talking about the beach. And then once you got onto your slides about a river, instead of talking about the beach, that volleyball might then become a stream image at the top. So it's anchoring the idea that you're talking about among all the slides that have to do with it. So using repetition in a slideshow is important to try and get your point across in a clear and concise position. So the bottom part over here of the slides telling us that the next page, these images that we just showed us, shows that in the process of designing a book, this designer decided to use photos for all of his slides to help give the presentation a unified look. He used a similar red note and a paperclip to hold his text in each slide. So using this in every slide, using the same red color, was a subtle repetitive element that gave visuals a professional and unified look. So whenever you want to create a presentation, there should be something that is the same and familiar amongst all of the different slides.